Okay, so welcome to Monday, April 20th. We're going to have some problem solving that we're going to undertake, go on a little adventure. And we're going to read it. We're going to read it carefully. We're going to ask ourselves lots of questions like, do I have a total? Do I have groups? Does it increase? Does it decrease? Do I add, subtract? Do I multiply? Do I divide? Do I do a combination of things in order to solve this problem? All right. What do I know? What are they asking me? Lots of questions that you have to engage yourself in order to solve this, okay? So the question is excuse me, got something stuck in my throat. Lauren and Gina's mother told her daughters that they can, I'm sorry, Lauren, I can't even see. Okay, so let me do this. Lauren and Gina's mother told her daughters they can swim in the pool for 20 minutes. First, they swam laps in the pool for 7 minutes. Then they swam underwater for 1 minute. Then they played water polo for 8 minutes. How much longer can they stay in the pool? Show your work and label your answer. All right, so we have a lot of information going on. We have a lot going on, a lot of information rather. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is figure out how many bits of information we have. Well, we have 20 minutes, we have 7 minutes, we have 1 minute, and we have them playing water polo for 8 minutes. Okay, so we have 4 numbers. So 4 numbers is going to have us solve 3 steps we need, okay? And do I have a total? Do we know how many minutes they played in the water? Well, we know how much time they have. And many of you may have been able to figure out already how much time they played in the water, but we still have to show our work. So let's start at the beginning. How many minutes did their mom give them to swim in the pool, which would be 20 minutes. Okay? The first thing that they did was they swam laps in the pool for 7 minutes. Okay? They swam laps in the pool for 7 minutes. Then they swam underwater for 1 minute. I guess they couldn't hold their breath for too long, but that's okay. Then they played water polo for 8 minutes. Okay, so they played water polo for 8 minutes. So the question is, how much longer can they stay in the pool? Well, if they start out with 20 minutes, that's the time frame that their mom gave them. That was the maximum time they could play. With all of these activities, is it going to be more than 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes? Okay, they started out with 20 minutes, they did something for 7 minutes, and then 1 minute, and then 8 minutes. So the question is, did they swim for more than 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes? Right? That's what you have to figure out in part. But the question is, how much longer can they stay in the pool? So we have to ask ourselves, do I have a total here? Well, that tells us how much time they have that they could swim in the pool. But do we have a total for the activities yet? And that's what we have to figure out, okay? But there's more than one way to skin a cat. So I want you to come up with 2 different strategies in order to solve this problem. 2. Not 1, but 2. You need to show all your steps. You are not skipping steps. You are not combining. There are 4 numbers. You're going to show 3 steps. All right? Make sure that you have a solution sentence, and make sure that you check your work and that you proofread and that your answer makes sense. In your solution sentence, do not write numbers. You need to write the words for the numbers. Do not abbreviate step with the letter S. Step 1, it is the word step. Make sure that you are thorough and that you show care and passion. Intelligence, okay? Use that. That's what it's here for. All right.